Aloha. This is a 1998 Jeep TJ here in Japan, and most of the time I don't know what to do with my phone when I'm driving, and I like playing some YouTube videos of music. So I figured I would modify the center console to put this Pac-Man style phone holder. Pretty easy to remove the dash. First thing is this defrost vent panel. Use some screwdriver with a soft head, and don't pull it too hard because it might crack. Just be gentle and be patient, and it just comes off. Next, I'm going to remove the screws that holds the center console or center console cover. There's two screws on the top, and they're Phillips. And then there's also one screw behind the ashtray. You have to remove the ashtray by popping it out. Now, be very gentle when you're pulling out the center console because sometimes the clips behind it can break, or simply you don't want to smash it. Probably a good time to inspect, make sure that nothing is broken, and if you're thinking about upgrading or painting your dash, this might be a good time. Now, many of you are thinking that maybe drilling into the dash is pretty extreme, but I'm using a really small drill bit so that eventually when I remove this Pac-Man style holder, you're not going to be able to see the holes. So I call this a Pac-Man style holder because it's like a Pac-Man, it eats my phone. But it's pretty cheap. I think it's like 10 or 11 bucks from Amazon. And like I said, I could have used any other materials like zip ties, but I didn't want to make the hose bigger, so I'm using this wire, and it really just goes into the hole, secures into the dash without any tying it up together or any force. Okay, pretty simple. I think it took me about 30 minutes to do this, including removing the dash and installing it back in there. Let's go see if it works. Hi, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe or hit the like button.